Hey y'all, Sam here, and you know what time it is. It's Glossy Box Unboxing time! Glossy Box Unboxing time! So here we have the February Glossy Box. So I'm excited about this box. I hope that we have lots of fabulous love-themed products for the month of February. It is after February 14th already though, so, you know, we can still celebrate. You can celebrate love anytime, baby. The box is really cute this month. It looks like a little envelope. However, it's still pink. I kind of wish it would have been like maybe white where it looked more like an envelope. But, you know, it is a very cute little box. Inside the box, I see that we have a little postcard. So if you want to send your lover a little love note, I guess that's what this is for. Alright, so the first item in my box is this Pore Charcoal Mud Sheet Mask. This is from JJ Young and it retails for $5. I love sheet mask, so I have not tried this brand. This brand's a little bit more pricey than what the sheet mask I normally buy from Shop Miss A, but I'm excited to give this a try. The next item we have is a Vasanti eyeshadow brush, and it just says eyeshadow. It does not have a particular number on it. It is a really pretty nice synthetic brush. This brush retails for $21. That's a little pricey for a brush in my opinion, but this pays for the box itself. Because if you are not familiar, Glossy Box is $21 a month. Alright, next y'all. Y'all know how I feel about getting shampoo and conditioners. However, this time it's not shampoo and conditioner. It is John Masters Organic Grapefruit Body Wash and Grapefruit Body Milk. So is this like a creamy wash or a lotion? Well, let's check the paper. Alright, so these are a body wash and a lotion. And I like that this month they went ahead and told us what the value of the samples were, which these are $6.50 each. And there are 2 fluid ounces in each one of these bottles. You know we gotta give it a sniff here. Let me put some of this lotion on. Yeah, I'm just not a huge fan of the scent. I mean, it does smell like grapefruit, but it smells like grapefruit and something else. The lotion actually feels pretty nice. Because it's a thin consistency, I thought I wouldn't like it, but it actually has a decent amount of oil to it. But it's not greasy. It doesn't leave your hands greasy. However, I like a greasy lotion. So I'm one of those rare people that just loves to feel it slip and slide once I've applied it. Here is the next item in my box, and this is from Royal Apothic. And it is a Scrubbie exfoliating lip treatment. I saw some other people get these, but they were like in cute little containers and stuff. Mine wasn't in a container. It was just like this by itself. So when you open it up, you do have the little stab thing. So you gotta stab it, break the seal, and it is squirting out on its own. That's one nice thing about metal ones though, is you don't have to squeeze so hard. You squeeze a little bit and the stuff will keep coming out. But let's go ahead and try it. Smells nice. Okay, a little of this goes a long way. Oh, don't like it. Does have sugar in it, but I don't know. It's got fig extract. Maybe it's the fig flavor. It's got a lot of something. I don't even know how to describe it. This will definitely not be replacing my Jeffree Star lip scrub, but it is a nice lip scrub. It does have a lot of moisturizing properties to it, so my lips right now feel kind of greasy and smooth, which I like. So it almost feels like there's like, you know, chapstick or petroleum jelly in there, so it leaves it moisturized after the fact. This lip scrub retails for $14. The Jeffree Star one's only $12, and I like that one better. Okay, so the last item in my box, I actually opened my box yesterday, kind of went through it, and I was excited about the Doucce lipstick that was in there, and I put it on, and I brought it to work with me to reapply it, and I can't find it. So I must have left it in my office. This lip crayon retails for $22. It was a very pretty red color, however, it did not last. I really did enjoy this lip crayon. However, it doesn't last as long as I would like a lipstick to last. And it does still smudge. Even though it's long wearing, if you wipe your face like this, it is going to slightly get onto your skin. And for that reason, it's not my favorite product, but it's not a bad product. So my overall impressions of the February boxes, I'm a little disappointed. I don't feel like we have bad products, but the shower gel and the lotion are kind of for me. So, I mean, we got a $75 value, which is still good for $21. However, a lot of times we get like over $100, and I love when we get over $100. So this box was good. It's not my favorite, but we'll have to see what March has in store for us. If you guys are interested in signing up for Glossy Box yourself, it is a monthly subscription for $21. I will leave a link in the description box below. If you haven't already checked out the unicorn giveaway video, you should definitely check it out. I will also link that below. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and until next time, bye y'all!